Stop trying to figure it out on your own and join our calls. Hello everyone, Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. So a lot of people are trying to get into mobile home investing, but they're still a little scared, they're still a little worried, they're still a little concerned. They don't know the proper steps, they don't know how to get started. Look, you're never really gonna be ready, to be honest with that. You know, it's one of those things where you learn as much as you can, you take action, and you figure it out as you go. You know, that's entrepreneurship. When it comes to mobile home investing, we, however, have coaching calls. We have events, we have live events that we put together. All these are directed for people just like yourself, getting started, getting into mobile home investing. Stop trying to figure it out on your own. Join our calls. Most of them are free. My goodness, they are free. It does not get any better than that. You know, 7 years ago when I got started, there was nobody for me to reach out to and connect. Nowhere where they were actually coaching and teaching different topics, different education when it comes to strategies, exit opportunities, mobile home investing. We teach all the above. Every Sunday at 8 p.m. EST time, we coach on a different topic. This Sunday, depending on when you're watching the video, we're going to be talking about evictions. You know, that is something that a lot of people don't like to talk about. Landlords don't like to mention. It is very much part of investing. Will it happen? Absolutely. But there's always a good plus after it if you know what you are doing. You have to learn the steps, okay? Now, I'm not telling anybody rush into it. What I am telling you is rush into taking action. Take action by joining our calls. Every Sunday at 8 p.m. we hold a coaching call. Every Tuesday we pitch deals. These are deals that are designated for all you beginners. All of you who've done your first, your second, your next, and looking for that additional investment. What we offer is opportunities. We are the only educational platform that offers investors their very first deal. Now, how many education platforms do you know that they'll coach you, they'll teach you, but then they toss you out there? It's time for you to go. Fly away, little bird, right? Now you're sitting there struggling, thinking, well, how do I know the steps now, but I'm still trying to struggle with my first deal. You don't have to struggle with that. Come to us. If you have a deal now already that you've invested in and you don't know the steps to take, come to our coaching. I cannot stress that enough. When you have a platform that's all mobile home investing related, and that's what you're trying to do, and it is free and available for all of you, guys, ladies, you have no excuses. Only you are holding you back at this time. Join our calls. Visit GarciaMHU.com and definitely join us on Sundays at 8 p.m. Join us on Tuesdays. Join us on Wednesdays. Join us on Saturdays. Soon there's going to be a Friday call as well. So definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching.